click. It's wind blow.
Distant siren.
Yeah. They said the snow cover everything,
But it don't.
but it don't. It just preserves it. Yeah. Snow hit the ground like a quiet confession. Brooklyn breeze slow in a frozen depression. Street light flicker, that's a sign or a question. I seen death walk in a human expression. Tim's left prints by the corner store glass. Blood on the curb where the future got past. Sirens sang, but they came too fast, or maybe too late for a life that crashed. I stood there still, couldn't move my frame. Breath turned smoke when they called his name. Same night air, but it feel insane, cause I knew that face, yeah, we shared that pain. He owed some debt, or maybe I did. Karma don't knock, it just handle its bid. Now I see myself in the things he hid. Same cold eyes when the world go dim.
Blood on snow, it don't wash away. Every sin come back one day. Cold wind whisper what we won't say. In the dark where the lost ones stay. Blood on snow, hear the past replay. Every step led you to your grave. Through the static, through decay, we just echoes in a tape delay.
Dice, game tension, low talk, side eyes. One bad move, now the truth televised. Gun flash quick, no time to revise. Now a body on the block where the snowfall lies. Wait, rewind that, I remember clear. That same night, I was standing right there. Same coast there, same breath in the air. Same gun weight that I used to bear, yeah. I ain't innocent in this design. I let that moment blur the line. Didn't pull trigger, but I fed the crime. Let the silence speak when I should've declined. Now every siren sound like it called my name. Every snowfall, replay that frame. Every heartbeat sank with the blame. I'm alive, but I ain't the same.
Blood on snow, it don't wash away. Every sin come back one day. Cold wind whisper what we won't say. In the dark where the lost ones stay. Blood on snow, blood on snow. In the dark where the lost ones.
Snow angel shape where his body once lay. Like the street made art from a life that decayed. I walk past daily but the image don't fade. It just dig deeper every choice that I made. I talk to myself like I'm split in two. One side guilt, other side you knew. One side run, other say stay true. But the truth feel colder than the winter do. I ain't scared of death, I done seen that face. I'm scared of living with this frozen trace. Every breath feel like borrowed space. Every night I relive that place. If karma will, then I'm already judged. Not by a core, but the weight I hold. Snow may melt, but the stain won't budge. Some stories never get told.
Blood on snow still remain.
Every loss
carved in the pain.
through the static,
Through the rain,
we come back.
in the sound again.
Case file, never close. Case file, never close. Brooklyn, remember everything. Yeah. Wind howl. Tape hiss. Distant siren faint. Brooklyn winter. Snowfall quiet, but streets talk. I seen it all, and I'm still here. Snow hit the block, blanket thick as guilt. Street lights flicker on the blood that's spilt. Tim's leaf prints where the crime was built. I watched it happen, my own hands felt. Breath froze sharp in the winter air. Sirens hum low, distant, unaware. He dropped slow, like a shadow flare. I'm alive, but my mind stayed trapped there. Same corner, same dice, same hustler's grind. Karma came silent, left a scar behind. Every choice I made now intertwined. Witnessing victim in the same line. So heavy, reflection cut like ice. Cold December, show the price of ice. Every snowflake a memory, precise. My life replayed in a frozen slice.
Blood on snow, it don't fade away. Every sin come back to play. Cold wind whisper what we won't say. You were there, can't run away. Blood on snow,
Echo stay.
every step leads you to pay.
Through the tape hiss, through the bray.
We just ghosts in the alleyway.
Dice game tense, low talk, side glance. One wrong second turn fate to chance. Gun flash quick, life in the trance. Another soul gone and the snows expands. Rewind the frame, I was right there. Same cold stare, same chilling air. Didn't lift the trigger, but I shared the dare. Let silence build, let the story declare. I see it now, karma's weight on my chest. Every breath I take, it don't rest. Could've stopped it, could've passed the test. Now I carry the guilt, can't confess. Every siren scream echo my name. Every snowfall replay the same. Every heartbeat drum the shame. Brooklyn winner, streets claim the game.
Blood on snow, it don't fade away. Every sin come back to play. Cold wind whisper what we won't say. You were there,
Yeah.
can't run away.
Snow angel shape where he once laid. Street carved memory that never decayed. I walk past daily, but truth won't fade. It digs deep in choices I made. Two sides of me, I debate inside. One side hide, one side can't hide. One side run, one side collide. Both trapped where the cold reside. I ain't afraid of death, seen it close, but living with this weight. I suppose every night I see him in repose. Snow and echoes, the story flows. Karma moves quiet like snow and slow. Stacking layer by layer below. One day the debt come due, I know. And I'm buried alive in the undertow.
Blood on snow,
Still remain.
every loss carved in the pain.
Through the tape hiss,
Through the rain, we come back in the sound again. Blood on snow,
wind high, wind high, wind high,
blood on snow,
wind high, wind high.
blood on snow,
Case file, never close.
blood on snow.
But Brooklyn remembers everything. Yeah.
Wind howl,
Wind howl, tape hiss. Distant siren faint. Brooklyn winter. Snowfall quiet. The streets talk.
I saw it all.
And I'm still here. Snow blanket streets, but the blood still dry. Street light flicker under the midnight sky. Tim's leaf prints where my sins lie. I watched them fall, couldn't ask why. Breath turn cold, heartbeat like drum. Sirens hum low, justice come, maybe none. Shadow linger long like what I done. Karma roll silent, winter begun. Same corner, same dice, same hustlers grind. Every choice I made now intertwined. Witness and victim, fate combined. Streets never forget, they just rewind. So heavy, reflection cut like glass. Memories frozen in the snow that passed. Every flake a reminder of the past. And every step I take feels like my last.
Blood on snow, it don't fade away. Every sin come back to play. Cold wind whisper what we won't say.
You were there.
You can't run away. Blood on snow, echoes remain. Every step leads back to pain.
Through tape hiss,
Through the grave,
we ghosts in the alleyway. Yeah, dice game tense, low talk, side glance. One wrong move turn fate to chance. Gun flash quick, Life in a trance, another soul gone in the snow's expanse. Rewind the frame, I was right there. Same coast there, same chillin' in the air. Didn't pull trigger, but I shared the dare. Let silence build, let the story declare. Karma weigh heavy on my chest. Every breath I take, it don't rest. Could've stopped it, could've passed the test. Now I carry the guilt, can't confess. Every siren scream echo my name. Every snowfall replay the same. Every heartbeat drum the shame. Brooklyn winner, streets own the game.
Blood on snow, it don't fade away. Every sin come back to play. Cold wind whisper what we won't say.
You were there,
Can't run away.
Snow angel shape where he once lay. Street carved memory that won't decay. I walk past daily, but truth won't sway. Buried in choices, frozen in gray. Two sides of me, trapped inside. One side high, one can't deny. One wants to run, one wants to fight. Both stuck in the cold, Brooklyn night. Death came close, I felt the chill. Living with guilt, no cure, no pill. Every night replay, against my will. Snow when that goes, time standing still. Karma moves quiet like snow and drift. Stack layer by layer, it's the gift. One day that collect, soul adrift. And I'm buried alive in the undertow shift.
On snow, still remain. Every loss carved in pain. Through tape hiss, through the rain. We come back in the sound again.
Blood on snow. Wind howl, wind howl. Click. Wind howl. Tape hiss. Case file, never close.
Brooklyn remembers everything.
Tape hiss. Distant siren.
Wind howl.
Brooklyn winter. Snowfall quiet, but streets remember.
Wind howl.
I was there. And I'm still here. Yeah. Snow-covered streets, but the blood still dry. Street lights flicker like a judge's eye. Tim's leaf prints where my sins lie. I watched them fall, couldn't ask why. Breath turned cold, heartbeat like drum. Sirens hum low, justice come none. Shadow linger long like what I done. Karma move silent, Brooklyn begun. Same corner, same dice, same hustler's grind. Every choice I made now intertwined. Witness and victim, fate combined. Streets never forget, they just rewind. So heavy, reflection cut like glass. Memories frozen in the snow that passed. Every flake a reminder of the past. And every step I take feels like my last.
Blood on snow, it don't fade away.
Every sin come back to play.
Cold wind whisper what we won't say.
You were there.
Can't run away on snow, echoes remain.
Every step leads back to pain.
Through tape hiss, through the grave.
We ghost
In the alleyway.
dice game tense, low talk, side glance. One wrong move turn fate to chance. Gun flash quick, life in the trance. Another soul gone in the snow's expanse. Rewind the frame, I was right there. Same coast there, same chillin' air. Didn't pull trigger, but I shared the dare. Let silence build, let the story declare. Karma weigh heavy on my chest. Every breath I take, it don't rest. Could've stopped it, could've passed the test. Now I carry the guilt, can't confess. Every siren scream echo my name. Every snowfall replay the same. Every heartbeat drum the shame. Brooklyn winter, streets on the game.
Blood on snow, it don't fade away.
Every sin come back to play.
Cold wind whisper what we won't say.
You were there.
Can't run away.
Snow, angel shape where he once lay. Streets carved memory that won't decay. I walk past daily, but truth won't sway. Buried in choices, frozen in gray. Two sides of me, trapped inside. One side high, one can't deny. One wants to run, one wants to fight. Both stuck in the cold Brooklyn night. Death came close, I felt the chill. Living with guilt, no cure, no pill. Every night replay against my will. Snow and echoes, time standing still. Karma moves quiet like snow and drift. Stack layer by layer. It's the gift, one day that collect. Soul adrift, and I'm buried alive in the undertow shift.
Blood on snow, blood on snow.
Still remain, every loss
Heart in pain,
through tape hiss.
through the rain.
We come back
In the sound again. Wind howl,
case file, never close. Brooklyn remembers everything. Tape hiss, distant siren, wind howl, Brooklyn winter, snowfall quiet, but the streets remember. I was there, and I'm still here. Snow-covered streets, but the blood still dry. Street lights flicker under the midnight sky. Tim's leave prints where my sins lie. I watched them fall, couldn't ask why. Breath turned cold, heartbeat like drum. Sirens hum low, justice come, none. Shadow linger long like what I done. Karma move silent, Brooklyn begun. Same corner, same dice, same hustler's grind. Every choice I made now intertwined. Witness and victim, fate combined. Streets never forget, they just rewind. So heavy, reflection cut like glass. Memories frozen in the snow that passed. Every flake a reminder of the past. Every step I take feels like my last.
blood on snow.
It don't fade away.
Every sin come back to play. Cold wind whisper what we won't say.
You were there,
You were there, can't run away. Blood on snow.
echoes remain.
Every step leads back to pain. Through tape hiss, through the grave.
We ghosts in the alleyway. Dice game tense, low talk, side glance. One wrong move, turn fate to chance. Gun flash quick, life in a trance. Another soul gone in the snow's expanse. Rewind the frame, I was right there. Same cold stare, same chilling air. Didn't pull trigger, but I shared the dare. Let silence build, let the story declare. Karma, weigh heavy on my chest. Every breath I take, it don't rest. Could've stopped it, could've passed the test. Now I carry the guilt, can't confess. Every siren scream echo my name. Every snowfall replay the same. Every heartbeat drum the shame. Brooklyn winter, streets own the game.
Blood on snow.
It don't fade away.
Every sin come back to play. Cold wind whisper what we won't say.
You were there,
Can't run away.
snow angel shape where he once lay. Streets carved memory that won't decay. I walk past daily, but truth won't sway. Buried in choices, frozen in gray. Two sides of me, trapped inside. One side high, one can't deny. One wants to run, one wants to fight. Both stuck in the cold Brooklyn night. Death came close, I felt the chill. Living with guilt, no cure, no pill. Every night replay against my will. Snow and echoes, time standing still. Karma moves quiet like snow and drift. Stack layer by layer, it's the gift. One day that collect, soul adrift. And I'm buried alive in the undertow shift.
Blood on snow.
Still remain.
Every loss carved in pain.
Through tape hiss, through the rain.
We come back in the sound again.
Click, click, wind howl, siren fade.
Case file never close.
Brooklyn remembers everything. tape hiss. Distant siren. Wind howl. Brooklyn winter. Snowfall quiet. Streets remember. I was there. And I'm still here. Yeah. And I'm still here. Yeah. Snow-covered streets, but the blood still dry. Street lights flicker, justice walking by. Timbs leave prints where my sins lie. I watched them fall, couldn't ask why. Breath turn cold, heart beat like drum. Sirens hum low, justice come none. Shadow linger long like what I done. Karma move silent, winter begun. Same corner, same dice, same hustler's grind. Every choice I made now intertwined. Witness and victim, fate combined. Streets never forget, they just rewind. So heavy reflection, cut like glass. Memories frozen in the snow that passed. Every flake a reminder of the past. Every step I take feels like my last.
Blood on snow, it don't fade away. Every sin come back to play. Cold wind whisper what we won't say. You were there, can't run away. Blood on snow, echoes remain. Every step leads back to pain. Through tape hiss, through the grave.
We ghost
in the alleyway.
Dice game tense, low talk, side glance. One wrong move turn fate to chance. Gun flash quick, life in the trance. Another soul gone in the snow's expanse. Rewind the frame, I was right there. Same coast there, same chilling air. Didn't pull trigger, but I shared the dare. Let silence build, let the story declare. Karma weigh heavy on my chest. Every breath I take, it don't rest. Could've stopped it, could've passed the test. Now I carry the guilt, can't confess. Every siren scream echo my name. Every snowfall replay the same. Every heartbeat drum the shame. Brooklyn winter, streets on the game.
Blood on snow, it don't fade away. Every sin come back to play. Cold wind whisper what we won't say. You were there,
can't
run away.
Snow angel shape where he once lay. Streets carve memory that won't decay. I walk past daily, but truth won't sway. Buried in choices, frozen in gray. Two sides of me, trapped inside. One side high, one can't deny. One wants to run, one wants to fight. Both stuck in the cold Brooklyn night. Death came close, I felt the chill. Living with guilt, no cure, no pill. Every night replay against my will. Snow and echoes, time standing still. Karma move quiet like snow and drift. Stack layer by layer, it's the gift. One day that collect, soul adrift. And I'm buried alive in the undertow shift.
Blood on snow still remain. Every loss carved in pain.
Yeah,
through tape hiss, through the rain.
we come back in the sound again.
Blood on snow.
Yeah. Click, click, wind howl.
Case file never closed.
Brooklyn remembers everything.
Blood on snow. Case file never closed.
Brooklyn remembers everything. Wind whistle, distant siren, tape hiss. Brooklyn cold, snow thick, streets silent but talking. I saw it all, and yet I'm trapped in it. Yeah. Frostbite streets, footprints frozen deep. Shadows move slow, secrets they keep. Eyes on me, but I don't blink. He fell silent, I stood on the brink. Breath, white smoke, heart under ice. Sirens hum low like my own vice. Karma circle round, cold as a knife. Winter in Brooklyn, testing my life. Every block I walk, memory replay. Choices I made haunt night and day. Witness to death and I had my say. Ghosts of the alley don't fade away. Mind rewind, echoes in snow. I feel the chill of the lives I know. Reflection sharp as the street lamp glow. Every step forward feels like slow.
Snowline bleed,
Can't wash away.
every crime come back to stay. Cold wind hum what I can't say.
You were there,
You paid your way. Snowline bleed,
shadows remain.
every step is another change.
Through tape hiss, through the pain. Brooklyn winter remembers my name. Back alley whispers, gunmetal flash. One wrong move, futures crash. I saw the spark, the body dash. Karma strike fast, time gone in the flash. Didn't pull trigger, but I watched it unfold. Breath froze cold, story retold. My guilt stacked high, silence sold. Streets write scripts in blood and gold. When the frost bite, soul in the vice, every heartbeat counts, cold as ice. Could've done more, roll the dice. Life's ledger, balanced in the trice. Sirens echo, tape reel spin. Snow cover sins I can't rescind. Shadows whisper the lives I've been in. Brooklyn winter, streets always win.
Snowline bleed,
Can't wash away.
every crime come back to stay. Cold wind hum what I can't say.
You were there,
You paid your way.
footsteps crunch over frozen leaves. Memory replay, nothing deceives. Winter bites deep, nothing reprieves. Karma circles, sober leaves. Two sides of me, trapped in the snow. One wants to hide, one wants to show. I walk the line, streets overflow. Lessons paid and lives I know. Death moves quiet, nearest breath. Living with guilt, dancing with death. Snowfall, witness every step a test. Every moment in Brooklyn, manifest. Tape hiss whispers, shadows drift. Jazz sample low, sub bass lift. Soul hook cries, reality shift. I'm both the witness and the gift.
Snowline bleed,
Still remains
still remain.
every loss.
Engraved in chains.
Through tape hiss,
Oh,
through the rains. Brooklyn winter knows my pains. Click, click, wick, 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 wick. Wind howl. Distant siren fade. Brooklyn streets. Remember everything. I'm part of it, and it's part of me. Yeah. Take this. Distant siren. Wind howl. Brooklyn nights. Snow silent. Streets full of whispers. I saw it, yeah, and I'm part of it. Snow crunch under my worn out Timbs. Shadows stretch, hide in broken hymns. Street corners whisper names of sins. He fell the night, and I held him within. Breath frost cold, heartbeat slow. Sirens fade distant, nothing to show. Karma walks heavy where the cold winds blow. Brooklyn winter, moving fast, moving slow. Alleyway dark, footprints erased. Memories linger, frozen in place. Witness and victim, one face. Guilt mirrored back in the snow's embrace. Mind rewind, replay the crime. Choices I made, paid back in time. Every flake fall, rhythm and rhyme. Streets carve lessons, sharper than knives.
Ice and shadow,
Don't let go.
every act comes back, it shows.
Cold wind hums what the city knows.
You were there, but that it grows. Ice and shadow,
Echoes remain
every step replayed in pain.
through tape hiss, through the rain.
Brooklyn winter calls my name.
Yeah, gunmetal glint, words unsaid. One wrong move, a life now dead. Frozen alley, footsteps fled. Karma strikes silent, blood on the thread. I stood close, witnessing the dark. Saw the spark, heard the bark. Didn't fire, but left my mark. Silence heavy. Every night leaves a scar. Winter cold, chest in frost. Choices counted, balance lost. Could've changed it, could've crossed. Streets collect all, no matter the cost. Sirens cry, take real spin. Snow covers sins, thick and thin. Shadows whisper the guilt within. Brooklyn winter, streets always win.
In shadows,
Don't let go.
every act comes back, it shows.
Cold wind hums what the city knows.
You were there the day it grows.
Snow piles high on forgotten walls. Footsteps echo in empty halls. Karma waits silent, never stalls. Every street remembers every call. Two sides of me, trapped in frost. One wants to run, one counts the cost. Choices I made, all lines crossed. Winter in Brooklyn, never lost. Death walks near, I feel the chill. Breathing guilt, quiet and still. Snowfall witness, time to fulfill. Streets whisper lessons, high in wheels. Soul hook loops, tape his sings. Sax low moans, sub bass rings. Ice and shadows, karma brings. I'm both the witness and the
Ice
sting.
and shadows,
Still remain,
ice and shadows.
still remain.
Every loss engraved in pain.
Through tape hiss,
Ice and shadows.
through the rain.
Brooklyn winter knows my name.
Big wind howl. Brooklyn streets. Never forgive, never forget. I'll walk with it, and it walks with me.
Ice and shadows.
Wind whistle, distant siren, tape hiss. Brooklyn winter, snow heavy, streets whisper secrets. I'm here, but I'm trapped inside the story. Yeah, snow blanket streets, footsteps loud. Alley whispers hide in the shroud. Breath fog thick, eyes scanning crowd. He fell tonight, fate unbowed. Heartbeat slow, chest under frost. Sirens call low, everything lost. Karma moves silent, such a cost. Winter in Brooklyn, everything's tossed. Shadows long, footprints deep. Secrets in corners, memories keep. Witness to life and death so steep. Streets don't forgive, just quietly reap. Mind rewind, frozen replay. Choices I made haunt every day. Snowfall heavy, bury my way. Streets teach lessons, cold as clay.
Snowfall whispers, don't let go. Every crime comes back, it shows. Cold wind hums what the city knows. You were there the day it grows.
Snowfall whispers,
Shadows remain.
every step is traced in pain.
The tape hiss through the rain.
Brooklyn winter calls my name. Yeah. Backstreet corners, eyes meet mine. Gunmetal flash, face design. One wrong step, bodies decline. Karma strikes cold, the alley line. I watch close, fear in my chest. Didn't pull the trigger, I failed the test. Silence heavy, memory pressed. Streets keep score, no time to rest. When the frost bites, soul in chains. Every heartbeat echoes pains. Could've changed it, still remains. Snow cover sin, but conscience stains. Sirens hum, take real spin. Shadows murmur life and sin. When the streets lessons begin. Brooklyn winter, streets always win.
Snowfall whispers, don't let go. Every crime comes back, it shows. Cold
street, every shadow. It calls two sides of me, trapped inside. One wants to hide, one wants to confide. Choices I made, can't run nor hide. Brooklyn winter, my fate collide. Death walks close, frost in the air, breathing guilt, heavy to bear. Snowfall witness everywhere. Streets whisper stories of despair. So hook loops, tape hissings, sax low moans, sub bass rings. Snowfall whispers, karma brings. I'm both witness in the sins I claim.
Snowfall whispers,
Still remain
every loss engraved in pain.
through tape hiss, through the rain.
Brooklyn winter knows my
Wind whistle, wind whistle, distant siren fade. Brooklyn streets, remember everything. I'm part of it, and it's part of me. Shake, tape hiss, distant siren, cold wind howl, Brooklyn winter. Snow thick, streets whisper stories. I watched it, but I was part of it too. Snow crunch under worn out Timbs, shadows stretch, hiding the sins. Breath fog thick, my pulse begins. He dropped cold, fate's violin. Heart under frost, chest feeling tight. Sirens hum distant, nothing in sight. Karma moves slow, like the night. Brooklyn winter, justice and bite. Alley cold, footprints fade. Secrets of crime, winter laid. Witness and victim, same cascade. Streets don't forgive, debts unpaid. Mind rewinds, plays every scene. Choices I made, in between. Snowfall heavy, slate unseen. Lessons carved deep, bitter and keen.
frosted guilt.
Can't let go.
Every crime comes back, it shows.
Cold wind hums what the city knows.
You were there, you're dead, it grows.
Frosted guilt,
Shadows remain
every step engraved in pain.
through tape hiss.
Through the rain, Brooklyn winter speaks my name. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alleyway corner, gunmetal glint. Wrong move fast, fate didn't hint. Body drops, blood print. Karma strikes hard, life in sprint. I stood close, fear froze my hand. Didn't pull trigger, still can't stand. Silence heavy, story unplanned. Street small guard, no reprimand. When the frost bites, soul in chains. Every heartbeat echoes pains. Could have changed it, still remains. No cover sins, conscience stains. Sirens hum, take real spin. Shadows whisper, guilt within. Winter's lessons, life in sin. Brooklyn winter, streets always win.
Frosted guilt.
Can't let go.
Every crime comes back, it shows.
Cold wind hums what the city knows.
You were there,
Yeah,
you're dead, it grows.
snow piles high on forgotten walls. Footsteps echo through empty halls. Calm awaits silent, it recalls. Every corner, every shadow, it calls. Two sides of me, trapped inside. One wants to hide, one wants to confide. Choices I made, can't run or hide. Brooklyn winter, fate collides. Death walks close, frost in the air. Breathing guilt, heavy to bear. Snowfall witness everywhere. Streets whisper stories of despair. So hook loops, tape hissings. Sax low moans, sub bass rings. Frosted guilt, karma brings. I'm both witness in the sins I claim. frosted guilt
still remains,
every loss
engraved in pain.
through tape hiss.
Through the rain,
Brooklyn winter knows my name. Click. When how? Distant siren fade. Brooklyn streets,
remember everything.
I'm part of it, and it's part of me. Tape hiss, wind whistle,
Distant siren,
Brooklyn winter. Snow covers the streets,
hides the scene.
hides the sins. I saw it all, and I felt it too. Snow crunch, yeah, yeah. Snow crunch under leather boots. Shadows long, hiding the truth. Breath fog, thick posts in pursuit. Life froze cold, no substitute. Heart under ice, streets whisper names. Sirens hum low, justice in flames. Karma moves silent, never tames. Winter in Brooklyn, the alley claims. Footprints fade, secrets deep. I watch the fall, the blood seep. Witness and victim, debts to keep. Streets write stories, no time to sleep. Mind rewinds, frozen reels. Choices I made, how it feels. Snowfall heavy, conscience steals. Lessons taught where the night conceals.
Snowed in shadow,
Yeah, snowed in shadows.
can't let go. Every crime returns its shows.
Yeah,
Cold wind hums what the street knows.
you were there. Yeah,
The dead it grows. You were there, the dead it grows. Snowed in shadow,
snow the shadows, echoes remain. Every step carved in pain. Through tape hiss, through the rain. Brooklyn winter whispers my name. Alley corner, gunmetal gleam. Wrong move fast, life's cruel scheme. Body drops, blood on ice. Karma strikes, no roll of dice. I froze close, fear gripped tight. Didn't shoot, still haunted night. Silent screams and pale street light. Brooklyn keeps score, wrong or right. Frost bites deep, soul in chains. Every heartbeat echoes pains. Could've changed it, still remains. No covers guilt, conscience stains. Sirens hum, tape reels spin. Shadows whisper, sins within. Winter streets, lessons begin. Brooklyn winter, streets always win.
Snowed in shadow,
Snowed in shadows.
can't let go. Every crime returns its shows.
Yeah,
Cold wind hums what the street knows.
you were there.
The dead it grows.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Over there,
yeah.
the dead it grows.
Snow piles high on brick walls gray. Footsteps echo where memories stay. Karma waits silent, eyes betray. Every corner, shadows replay. Two sides of me, trapped inside. One wants to hide, one wants to confide. Choices I made, nowhere to glide. Brooklyn winter, fate collides. Death walks close, frost in the air. Breathing guilt, heavy to bear. Snowed and witness everywhere. Streets whisper stories of despair. Soul hook loops, tape hiss, sing. Sax low moans, up bass rings. Snowed in shadows, karma brings. I'm witnessing victim sins it clings.
Snowed in shadow,
Snowed in shadows,
still remain.
every loss engraved in pain.
Through tape hiss, through the rain.
Brooklyn winter knows my name.
Right click, wind howl.
Distant siren fade.
Brooklyn streets,
Remember everything. I'm part of it, and it's part of me.